So today I'm going to demonstrate this nifty guy, which is actually from Primark. It is a angled hair curler from Primark, £16. Looks like this. It's meant to be ergonomic, so it's meant to like help things so it doesn't hurt. We're gonna give this a go. Okay, so plugging it in, it says off here, and then you have this button which I'm gonna press. And then it's got this flashing number here. It says 150. So when it reaches this temperature, it'll stop flashing and we'll start curling. Okay, so I sectioned a part of my hair off and we're gonna start curling. So you'll see it stopped flashing. Now it's at 150. So I'm gonna grab a piece of hair from back here, go around like this and wait. Okay, now we're gonna drop it and bam, we have our first curl. Let's do a couple more. That was very easy. I have used this before and I found it very easy to use. It's a lot quicker to use for my hair, and also my hair seems to hold the curl like so much longer. My hair is very fine, it doesn't seem to hold curls very well, but with this it held it all day. So yeah, we're going to continue, do the rest of my hair. I'll show you the finished look. Okay, so I'm just going to do the last bit with you guys on camera. This is the last piece of hair I have. It's my front framing piece. So I'm just going to take it back here and curl it up here away from my face. But you can see like this is so easy to hold, because like if this just had a normal handle, my hand would be all the way up here. I'm going to let that hair fall. So, and now I want to turn this off. I'm just going to hold this button and it will say off on it. So let's give this a quick little pajouge. So this is the finished hair look using this angled curler from Primark. I've got to say, I think the look it gives to the hair is really, really pretty. It's very easy to use. This is my first time actually using one of these wraparound ones. I normally use the ones with the clasps. Very easy to use, it doesn't hurt your arms, it's not heavy, it curls your hair very quickly, gives a really nice pretty look, and it lasts all day. Today is actually a very, very hot day here in England. I believe it is 27 degrees out right now and has been for the past like 4 days. So I might do a wear test with this and show you what it looks like at the end of the day. So this is my hair at the end of day. I don't even know how long I've had this on, but I've been out in the sweltering heat and this is how it